Hello viewers, welcome to CodeXlabs. I wish all are you doing great. As you know, we started a HTML series, so this is another new video in that same series. So before moving into the screen, I would like to recommend, if you are the new user, just please go and watch videos from the playlist. I'll give the link in the bio and in iCards also. Please go to from beginning, then only you will be understand, otherwise you may miss some concepts. So if you are already existing user, you can continue this one. Without getting delay, let's jump into the screen. We have a address tag. For address tag, suppose if I use something paragraph, door number 123 and area is some XYZ and country is some ABC. So we have a address information like this. So if you can see how it's clumsy, but it's not about clumsy, you can just remember this one. Same thing if we can use with address tag, address closing, you can see it will be automatically converted into italic and it was highlighted the address. So just it will just highlighted this one into convert into address format, and instead of this one you can use. This is the main purpose, that we are wherever we are defining some postal address or normal addresses, where it will be, we can use address tag. In normal case we don't use, but whenever if you want to define address, you can use this address tag. Okay, and appellate that is not supported in HTML5. This is also in a older version, HTML4 only, so that's we are not showing. Just for the explanation is, appellate is the something like you are suppose you have a video, you can just embed that video. Okay, you can, if you want to play that video, you can use appellate option. So that now is replaced with the individual tags. For video we have a video tag, for audio we have a audio tag, so that is divided. So that's why appellate also ignored. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Till we are going to the next session, have a small break. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.